Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best electric skateboards available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have WOOKRAYS Electric Skateboard. The skateboard is made of 7 layers rock-hard maple deck that is better flex, more stable and durable. It can withstand all kinds of stamping collisions without deformation. The skateboard comes with a 2.4 GHz wireless remote control that controls forward, backward, accelerate and brake. Its control distance can reach 14 meters. It comes with LED indicators keep you informed the skateboard battery level. The skateboard with 350 watts motor has 3 speed modes for beginners or advanced skaters. The skateboard features durable dia. 7 cm PU wheels and with kicktail and concave for added control. So you can glide smoothly on the street no matter what your skill level. The lithium battery is easy enters the self-protection state. And it is recommended the lithium battery should be charged and discharged at least once a month. At number 6 we have Hiboy Electric Skateboard. It featuring U-shaped design and stronger trucks, 7 layers maple deck longboard retains the flex and sturdy quality. It is powered by high-performance brushless dual hub motor. That's giving it a smooth streamlined power and max speed 18.6 miles per hour. The powerful 500 watts dual hub motor provides smooth power and the boosted board can go up to 18.5 miles per hour, 13 miles on a single charge. It has 4 ride modes and 4 brake modes exclusive to Hiboy Electric Skateboard. Each ride has mode or brake mode that provides a careful taper when accelerating or braking. At number 5 we have King Electric Skateboard. The King Electric Skateboard contains a 350 watts hub motor for high power performance. The skateboard boasts a 7-layer Canadian maple wood deck that carries a rider's weight up to 175 pounds for an insane and smooth comfortable ride. This incredible board has a max range of up to 10 miles. The King intuitive and ergonomic controller has an LED screen with a battery indicator for the controller and skateboard. The speed odometer has 4-speed selector and forward/reverse indicator. It is simple and easy to use the thumb throttle that provides precise control and braking. King offers after-sale support to make sure your skateboard operates correctly. At number 4 we have Hiboy Electric Skateboard. This e-skateboard is equipped with 350 watts X2 dual motor so that the skateboard electric can accelerate up to 15.6 miles per hour and the ride is smooth and quiet. And you can ride it as a regular board without electricity. Hiboy Electric Skateboard for adults is equipped with a new generation 29.4 volts 4000 mAh lithium battery, which can be fully charged in only 3 hours. The motorized skateboard comes with a 2.4 GHz wireless remote control, which control distance can reach 14 meters. The screen display remote controls forward, backward, accelerate and brake. It has 3 LED power indicators and 3 level speed settings. You can control the C-Cruiser skateboard easily. At number 3 we have Hiboy Electric Skateboard. The Hiboy S11e skateboard is designed for beginner and youth. It is different from the high-performance skateboards. The powerful hub motor provides a smooth streamlined power. This S11's mission is to have fun and playful, which is suitable for kid and newbie riding around town and school. Hiboy's custom-designed composite maple deck and hub motor is built around a strong yet lightweight. The weighing in only 8.5 pounds are easy to pack up and carry around. At number 2 we have Windseeker Electric Skateboard. The e-skateboard with 350 watts motor has 3 speed modes for beginners or advanced skaters. It's equipped with a 29.4 volts 2000 mAh lithium battery with a maximum range to 5 miles. It can be fully charged within 2 hours. This H2S2 electric skateboard uses the latest core technology, automatically boot when gliding. The e-skateboard is made of 7 layers rock-hard maple deck that is better flex, more stable and durable. The skateboard comes with a 2.4 GHz wireless remote control that controls forward, backward, accelerate and brake. Its control distance can reach 14 meters. At number 1 we have Team G Electric Skateboard. The H20 Mini is equipped with a 900 watts supermotor that can easily climb up to 25% inclines with a top speed of 24 miles per hour and a range of 18 miles. Skateboarders will enjoy a more powerful and smoother experience. It is made of 7-ply maple wood. This scooter is sturdy and resistant to 286 pounds. This high-quality PU wheels provide excellent ground grip. It is built-in double 450 watts supermotor and 7.5 Ah battery. The maximum speed can reach 24 miles per hour and the maximum range is 18 miles. The Team G electric skateboard uses high-quality smooth poo wheels to easily climb 25% slopes. The deck of the Team GH20 mini scooter uses 7-ply Canadian maple. And the deck is strong and can carry up to 286 pounds. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best electric skateboards for your need.